Feldspar minerals are some of the most important and abundant minerals on Earth. In fact, feldspars make up about 60% of the Earth's crust, making them true rock-forming minerals and a foundation of geology itself. Feldspar is not a single mineral, but a group of aluminum silicate minerals containing potassium, sodium, or calcium. These minerals are essential components of many igneous, metamorphic, and even sedimentary rocks. If you've ever seen granite, you've already seen feldspar. There are two main groups of feldspar minerals. The first is potassium feldspar, also known as K-feldspar. This includes minerals like orthoclase, microcline, and sanidine. Potassium feldspars are commonly pink, white, or cream in color, and are especially abundant in granites and felsic rocks. The second group is plagioclase feldspar, which forms a solid solution series between albite, rich in sodium, and anorthite, rich in calcium. Plagioclase feldspars are typically white to gray, and are found in a wide range of igneous rocks, from basalt to diorite. The second group is plagioclase feldspar, which forms a solid solution series between albite, rich in sodium, and anorthite, rich in calcium. Plagioclase feldspars are typically white to gray, and are found in a wide range of igneous rocks, from basalt to diorite. One key feature of feldspar minerals is their two cleavage directions at nearly 90 degrees, which helps geologists identify them in the field. Feldspars also have a hardness of about 6 on the Mohs scale, making them harder than glass but softer than quartz. Feldspar minerals play a major role in rock weathering and soil formation. When feldspars break down chemically, they often transform into clay minerals such as kaolinite, which are vital for agriculture and ceramics. Economically, feldspar is extremely important. It is widely used in the production of glass, ceramics, porcelain, tiles, and enamel, where it acts as a flux to lower melting temperatures and improve strength and durability. In geology, feldspar minerals are also powerful tools for understanding Earth's history. Their composition helps geologists interpret magma evolution, tectonic settings, and crystallization conditions deep within the Earth. So next time you see a granite outcrop or a volcanic rock, remember feldspar minerals are not just common stones. They are the building blocks of the Earth's crust and a key to unlocking geological processes. This is Geology Wonders, exploring the minerals that shape our planet.